Hello students, this is the question on your screen, okay, which is to be recorded in purchase book. I know the first transaction is given here on 2016, okay. Purchase goods from Surya Electric Store, Chandni Chowk, okay, on credit. So invoice number is given here, and this invoice number is given here, invoice number 480, okay, and 200 tube lights at the rate 50 tube table fans 400 each, and 20 heaters at the rate 100 each, and trade discount 50. So this is purchase goods from Surya Electric Store, and first of all we should try to know that what in whose books these transactions are recorded. You can see it here that in the following transactions, record the following transaction in the books of Pawan Electrical Store, this Delhi. So in purchase books are to be maintained of this electric house, and this is the question. So now we are going to record. First of all, I told you that while recording the transactions, two things are to be seen, that whatever goods are purchased, those goods should not be asset. Number second, it should not be on cash basis, because sometimes cash transactions are given that we purchased on cash. And number one, goods should be purchased, it should be purchased in cash, and no asset, it should not be asset, you know? So this we have to see here. So this is electric house who is purchasing electrical goods. So these all should be electrical goods, tube light, table fan, heater, these all are the bought goods for new light cannot place on credit, table fan, ceiling fan, these all are the electrical items. Then purchase from Ravindra and Company, Patel Nagar on credit, dozen bulb, water heater, this is also related to that. Bought from Surya Lajpat Nagar from electric irons, this is also there. Bought from Fashion Furniture Company, Gupta Road on credit, 12 chair, 200, these chair tables are given here. So this will not be recorded because these chairs and table are not the goods for us. You know? Goods are not there because our business is not buying and selling of chairs and tables. You know? We are dealing in electrical goods. So this transaction will not be recorded. Okay. And if any transaction is on cash also, you know, that will not be recorded here. Like this, bought from Sunny Lamp, Lajpat Nagar for cash. You know, this cash, this is cash transaction because we are buying on cash. So this will also not be recorded. So here, first of all, we are recording the items that purchase Surya Electrical Stores, Chandni Chowk on credit, 200 tube lights. So here while this we will write date here 2016 June 2nd, and name of the supplier in the column, this column we will write the name of the party, supplier from whom goods are purchased, this Surya Electrical Store, Chandni Chowk, goods are purchased, and what goods are purchased, that detail should be given. And 200 tube lights, 50 table fans, 20 heaters, and the rate at which, at 50 rupees each, at 400 rupees each, at 100 rupees each. This is given. So we'll write the value. What is the value? Here we can see that 200 tube lights at the rate of 50. The value comes 200 into 50, it comes 10,000 rupees. It should be shown in detail column. Then comes 50 table fan at the rate of 500 each. So it is 20,000. 5 4 is 20,000. It is shown here. Then comes 20 heaters, 100 rupees each. So 100 into 20, 2,000. That is shown here. Then we will total up the thing. It comes 32,000, and this 15% trade discount will be given on that, because in the question it is there. Here you can see trade discount is 15%. In the question it is given. So Here 15% trade discount is given and it comes 4,800, and when we deduct the net amount, that will show it in total column 27,300. This way all the transactions are to be recorded. Now come to the second one. On 10th, bought goods from New Light Traders, Connaught Place. On credit, invoice number is this 2310. In invoice column we'll write this, and on 10th, first of all we'll put the date here, 10th of June, from whom we bought New Light Traders, Connaught Place, and this is the invoice number 2310. And what we bought, this is 20 table fan. Here in the question you can see 20 table fan at the rate of 500 each, 40 ceiling fan at the rate of 600 each, 10 electrical iron at the rate of 200 each. So this is shown here, that 20 table fan at the rate of 500, 40 ceiling fan at the rate of 600, 10 electrical fan at the rate of 200. So what is the value? 500. 20 ceiling fan at the rate of 500 means 20 into 500. How much it comes? It comes 10,000. Okay, that is shown here. Then comes 40 ceiling fan at the rate of 600. So 6 4 ja 24. So 24,000. 24,000 is shown here. Okay. Then comes 10 electric irons. So 10 into 200, that comes 2,000 rupees. Okay. After this we will add up this, and 15% trade discount in the question it is given. That 20% trade discount is given. So here we will trade discount 20% will be shown in the purchase book. Okay. Then the value comes what? 20% of this, after totaling up this thing, it comes 20%, 36 to just 72. 7,200 is the value, and if we deduct, the net value will be shown in this total column. Now after this, next item here it is given on 28th. Purchase goods from Ravindra Invoice, Patel Nagar, by invoice number 1508. 120 dozen bulb, 80 rupees per dozen, 20 water heaters at the rate of 120 each, and trade discount 10%. On 20th of June, so we'll show it here on the 20th of this June. Ravindra, from whom it is bought? Ravindra Electrical Company, Patel Nagar. 120 dozen bulb at the rate 80 rupees, and 20 water heaters at the rate of 120 each. The value, when we this multiply this 120 into 80, 80 dozen, 80 per dozen is there. So 12 8 ja 96. So 9600 means 9,600, and 20 and 12 2 ja 24. So 2,400. And if we total up, then discount, trade discount 10% is given on that. It comes, when we deduct this, net amount is shown in this total column. That is 10,800. Okay. And now after this, as I told you, then 22nd, this is the cash item. For cash it is bought. And 28, this is not the good for the business who is dealing in electrical items. So these two items will not be recorded in the books. And now we will total up this thing. It comes, if we total up this thing, it comes 66,800. That will be shown on the last date of the month. On purchase account we will transfer this amount. This amount will be transferred there. So this way this purchase account is this prepared. Okay. Thank you. Now we'll solve the question. Next this one question for you in our next lecture.